Hey, what's going on, folks? It's Mike here, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have two exciting announcements to make. One being that we have launched a discussion forum at forum.msha.io, as you'll notice here in the top left, and I'm also going to be doing some training. So let's go ahead and get into these two news items here and just show some things that have been requested by the community for a very long time, starting with a discussion forum. So for a long time, folks, even since I started the channel, have requested to have some sort of other community that they could gather on that was outside of YouTube, and that's just a little bit better for discussions about code, being able to paste in code snippets, or just be able to search for things that we talk about. So the topics that we talk about in this channel, things like different programming languages, games and graphics, general computer science talks, or maybe just cool engineering stuff that on occasion comes up in the news, are available right now as categories that we can start discussing. And you can see some of our members of the YouTube channel have already had access and have started discussing here, so I'm very excited to launch this and I hope you'll join. It's as simple as just signing up with an email in the top right corner, and then you could go ahead and start having discussions about, well, whatever relevant topics are here. And of course, if there are other categories that you're interested in, then of course we can add to this. I have a few other ideas of things that I want to do with this as well that I think will be fun for the community over time as we grow. Now, why a forum board? Why not Discord or something else? Well, just again, at this point in time, this is something that I know I can manage and that we can scale with over time. And of course, if we want to look into other options later, that can be an option. But for now, I think a forum is a great place to start having community conversations and again, archiving our technical knowledge and otherwise just learning great stuff, just like we do on this channel. So this is for you folks. I'll be a part of this as well, and I'll look forward to otherwise seeing you at the forum. So with that said, I'm again very excited to announce that. That's been something on my to-do list for a very, very long time as our community has grown. And again, I just want to thank you folks again for being part of the community, all of our subscribers, viewers, and especially our members who are supporting this channel. So with that said, that is the forum. That is announcement number one. And announcement number two has to deal with, well, some of the programming language stuff that I do here. Specifically in the D programming language, I'm offering a workshop at the ACCU Conference. So you can see here is the ACCU Conference, which is a conference for professional programmers. And upcoming, I am one of the folks giving a workshop here specifically on the D programming language. And I'm going to talk about how to do software engineering in the D programming language. So again, if you're watching this channel, then you know that I do a lot of lessons on D. And I want to go ahead and show how to use D in context. So in this workshop, you'll see basically in 8 hours, a lot of the topics that have come up in our channel, but again, applied in a context of some small projects. So again, you can see how D is used as a software engineering tool for your competitive advantage. So with that said, feel free to check that out here. I'm going to put a link in the description for these links for, of course, both the forum and the D programming language training here. I think it'll be a lot of fun. And if you want to do something live with me, well, this is one opportunity that is upcoming. And of course, if you're a company and looking out for different types of trainings in D, C++, or graphics, things that I have some knowledge in and work experience, then feel free to reach out otherwise if these dates don't work for you. But otherwise, I'm getting prepared for this as we speak, and I'm really, really excited about it. I think it'll be a lot of fun. So folks, with that said here, I hope you're excited to join in the discussions. Again, it's going to be a lot of fun in the forum. I think over time, we'll continue to grow our wonderful community that we already have here. And I'm really, again, excited about getting opportunities to do some of these trainings about different programming things that I teach every day. And again, I think might be beneficial to you. So with that said, folks, let me know what you think in the comments or in the discussion board, and I'll look forward to hearing from you. This is just a little bit of news, and otherwise we'll get back to our technical content in our next videos. So with that said, we'll see you in the next one.